The GL-2110-6-E Golight Radioray from Larson Electronics is a 65-watt motorized spotlight that operates with a wireless handheld remote control and a wireless dash mount remote control. This particular model is available in a black finish and is mounted on a 6-inch stanchion post with a red and green navigational running light. It produces a wide spot beam with an effective working beam of 700 feet and has a 5 million candlepower rating. This Golight Radioray is also available in a chrome model. This unit features remote control operation that allows users to rotate the light 370 degrees with a hard stop and to adjust vertical tilt through 135 degrees. This Golight Radioray is designed for hunting and demanding outdoor use with a weather-resistant housing constructed of high-quality ASA Luron thermoplastic that is heat-resistant, impact-resistant, UV-resistant, and able to withstand rugged use and abusive conditions. Remote movement of this spotlight is provided by an automotive-grade internal motor, gear, and transmission assembly that is constructed of Lexan, brass, and stainless steel to provide rust and corrosion resistance as well as long life and reliable operation. The light is mounted on a 6-inch stanchion post. A stanchion mount enables the light to be installed and removed for storage. The included running lights are always on when the mount is receiving power. This light operates with 12 volts DC and draws 5.5 amps, making it ideal for consumer vehicles, boats, ATVs, and similar sources of 12 volt direct current. This Golight Radioray includes a standard Perko mount socket. This lamp has a 6000K color temperature, giving it a very good color rendering and contrasting properties and the ability to clearly and sharply illuminate objects at long distances. This Golight Radioray is designed for use in all weather conditions and produces 1,300 lumens of intense light output. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today! At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.